Welcome to Candy Monsters, your learning partner.
Did you know some bugs can light up the night? These aren't ordinary bugs. These are special creatures with a magical ability, bioluminescence. Imagine walking through a forest at night. Suddenly you see tiny lights flickering all around you. These are fireflies, the most famous glowing bugs. But fireflies aren't the only ones. Deep in caves and oceans, other bugs create their light shows. These creatures remind us that our world is full of surprises. Let's explore the fascinating world of bioluminescent bugs and uncover their secrets. Bioluminescence is the ability of a living thing to create its own light. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Inside these bugs are special chemicals. One is called luciferin, and the other is luciferase. When these two mix with oxygen, they create a chemical reaction. This reaction produces energy that is released as light. But why do bugs glow? They use their light for different reasons. Some use it to attract a mate, like sending a love letter in the dark. Others use it to scare away predators, like a burglar alarm flashing in the night. Some even use it to communicate, like sending messages with a flashlight. Fireflies are the most well-known glowing bugs, but many others exist. Some beetles, like click beetles, can also light up. They have light organs on their bodies that produce a greenish glow. Then there are glowworms, the larvae of certain types of flies. They hang from cave ceilings and use their light to attract prey. Imagine a bug zapper, but with beautiful blue lights. And deep in the ocean, some creatures use bioluminescence to survive in the dark depths. These deep-sea creatures have evolved incredible adaptations to thrive in their environment. Scientists are still discovering new species of glowing bugs all the time. One fascinating discovery is a type of fungus gnat found in caves. These gnats spin sticky webs that glow blue to attract prey. The world of bioluminescence is full of wonder and mystery. Studying these creatures helps us understand the natural world better. Who knows what other glowing creatures are waiting to be discovered? By appreciating the science behind their glow, we can help protect these fascinating creatures for future generations.
See you in the next video. Bye!
Subscribe to Candy Monsters, your learning partner.